Hi everyone, this is Maggie, one of the reference librarians from Save a Library. And since so many people are home and baking right now, I'm here to walk you through how to make Linzer Tarts. First, you're going to add 1 1/4 cups of butter to a large mixing bowl, along with 2/3 of a cup of white granulated sugar. Beat the sugar and butter together until light and fluffy. Then we're going to stir in 1 3/4 of a cup of ground almonds, about a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and about 1/2 cup of the all-purpose flour. When that is all combined, we'll add in the remaining flour and mix it until it becomes a stiff dough. Form the dough into a ball and wrap with plastic wrap to be refrigerated for at least half an hour. This step is really important because it makes the dough less sticky and a lot easier to work with. After the dough has chilled, preheat your oven to 320 degrees. On a floured surface, turn out the dough and roll into about 1/8 of an inch thick sheet. For the next part, we'll need 2 different cookie cutters, a larger one for the base and the top part of the cookie, and a smaller one for the window part of the cookie. I'm using cookie cutters, but you could use a drinking glass and a bottle cap, or whatever you might have that would be a good size. Cut out as many of the larger circles as you can from the dough, and use the smaller cookie cutter on half of those circles to create that cutout in the center. Repeat the process until you've used all of your dough. Transfer to a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. The color does not change much on these cookies while they're baking, so keep an eye on them because they can go from properly baked to burnt very quickly. When the cookies have been removed from the oven and cooled, sprinkle some powdered sugar over the tops of the cutout cookies. On the bottom halves of the cookies, spread a thin coating of jam. Press a cutout cookie on top of each so that it makes a sandwich, and enjoy.